If you're constantly dealing with clients who want it all, good, fast, and cheap, this is the framework that shuts that down instantly. Every client needs this rule burned into their business. Good, fast, cheap. Your clients can pick two, never all three. Good plus fast, it's not going to be cheap. That means premium materials, experienced labor, and a company that actually shows up on time and gets it done right. That costs money, and it should. Fast plus cheap, it wouldn't be good. This is where the weekend warriors show up, the new guys, the ones pricing jobs that break even just to win work. No insurance, no warranty, no track record. And here's the kicker. We've had multiple clients come back to us saying, I tried calling this guy who did our floor last year and he's out of business, doesn't pick up, vanished. And then you have good plus cheap. It wouldn't be fast. You wait weeks or months because quality work at a low price gets backlogged fast. That's even if they even show up. In our epoxy company, we lay this out clearly when we give the estimate, and it saves us 90% of the unrealistic clients right up front. The good, fast, cheap rule isn't just a saying, it's a strategy to protect your business, your time, and your reputation. And for clients, it's a reality check, because if you go cheap, don't be surprised when the contractor disappears with your warranty and your peace of mind.